is Abigail and welcome back to Abigail's Craft Time. So, we're gonna be making a mini owl today. I think we should get started. What we're gonna need to make this craft today is paper towel roll and some scissors and some glue and some googly eyes, of course, and some paper any color you want. First things first, we're gonna start by cutting out the wings, and you can make them any shape you'd like. So now we're gonna make a small fold so that we can put glue in it and put it in the side of our paper towel roll. Now I'm just gonna peel off the paper out of the eyes and then I'm gonna stick it in. For the nose, we're gonna cut out a mini triangle and we're gonna glue it on the paper towel roll. And that's how you make your own birds. And you can use this as a Thanksgiving decoration. And thanks for watching, and I'll be back with a new video. And also remember to share, like, and subscribe. Bye!